Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 5 and video number 5 in a series of 45 videos that I'm going to walk you through the process of raising broilers from day 1 to day 45 when the birds are fully mature for sale. You can see the birds are doing very okay in the farm today. I always try to open up the door when I realize that the heat is too much. And also, since there's no light, I also try to open the space so that they can have good vision inside the house. You can be able to see food. You can see how they're doing. They are picking up quite fast. The birds are doing very okay. Doing very okay, very okay. You can see them always running from danger and hiding. There are 305 birds in here. 305 because we lost one on the second day. You can see them. You see, I have that cardboard paper on the floor and they're using it for feeding. Tomorrow I'm going to introduce them the automatic feeder. I'll no longer be eating from the cardboard paper. They'll keep on using these other feeders. They'll keep on using these ones till maybe around 2 weeks time, before I can change them and introduce all the automatic feeders. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video you'll receive it immediately. Please subscribe.